And I'm going to share with you some hacks while at uni to save some money. With online and technology nowadays, there's so many budget saving apps, and also there's online banking that can help you track what you're spending. Don't forget to also think about all those sort of points cards and membership cards that you can have that help you save money on your weekly shopping. There's also things that you need to consider about, like buying and selling clothes. So there's shops like Vinted, Depop, which can help you buy clothes and buy clothes secondhand, which is not only just great for the environment and helping with fast fashion, but also really good for your bank account and your pocket as well. And you can sell clothes too and make a bit of money on the side. Think about buying in bulk and cooking in bulk, so then if it comes to exam season, you've always got food in the freezer and you're saving yourself money when you're doing that bit of extra shopping. And remember all those extra discounts you are entitled to as a student, whether it's uni days or student beans helping you with discount with clothes and food and going out, or travel, getting a rail card on discount on buses as well, allowing you to explore different areas and go further. And make sure that when you're outside of uni, you take advantage of those free activities and free trips that you can go on. We all know as students that every little penny counts and every single hack counts.